K Parser PCs here, and today I got something interesting. I got the Thermaltake Smart 500, an 80 plus white power supply that came in pretty fast from Newegg. I ordered it 3 days ago for a Xeon motherboard build, which you will see in an up and coming video. I ordered this a couple days ago for 30 bucks, and I was like, no, this is going to take a week or two to get in, but it's here now, and I didn't even know. It showed up in an Amazon box for all things, which is pretty interesting, but there are some more interesting things about this, like its free 5-year warranty, that it was built for Haswell. Yes, the CPU architecture from 2013 using LGA 1150, whenever USB 3.0 was released, that old. Well, not that old, but you can still play on those CPUs, as you'll see in the upcoming Xeon motherboard build. That one's going to be an interesting one. Just wait. But this one's pretty interesting, you know? It comes with Molex, obviously, because it's a budget power supply. But, you know, there are very interesting things. Like, this being 80 plus white, you don't see many power supplies, even older ones, using 80 plus white. Like, I only see a couple, and this is one of them. And I've always seen great reviews on this. So, you know, I'm going to give it a little test. I don't have all the power testing stuff, but I am just going to test the general usability. Like, if I throw it in a random case or something, it's not going to, like, rattle around, or if it's not going to be, you know, super loud. But it does say on the box that the 120 millimeter fan right there is ultra quiet. So, we'll, you know, check that. But, to the back now. It comes with PCIe connectors, as seen in the picture right there. It comes with the obvious 24 pin. Comes with the CPU power, the 4+4 pins, depending on what kind of motherboard you have. Forward pin, which a 4 pin for things like, if I'm remembering correctly, like fan controllers and stuff like that. And then SATA. Obviously, you need SATA to run any modern hard drive. So it does support. It has support for 500 watts, flat on the 12 volt rail. It runs on the North American standard, 60 not kilohertz, but just hertz. Meaning you're gonna have to buy an adapter. But I mean, I really haven't found this anywhere else other than Newegg and, I mean, sometimes eBay, but you'll find that for like 40 bucks. No offense, but this thing ain't worth 40 bucks. I mean, check how old it is. Haswell, it's a power supply, so, I mean, they're supposed to last a while, but 40 bucks? Now, 30, that's a pretty good deal, in my opinion. But I'm not just going to sit here and monologue the whole time. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, guys, so now I got the Thermaltake Smart 500 down my bed, ready to unbox with my K-bar knife. Anyways, let's just pop the seal on this baby. Oh, and like it says, it gets a 5-year warranty. So, if this thing busts, I'm going to annoy Newegg about it because it'd be considered false advertising. But, the only other power supplies I've seen this cheap don't look this good, or they're, B-stock. Which there's nothing wrong with B-stock, but, I mean, I'd much rather get a brand new 500 watt power supply than a B-stock one that got sent back because of, power delivery issues for high-end GPUs. Which, I'm not saying EVGA B-stock, I'm saying like Corsair B-stock. That's what you need to watch. But, you can see the box, it's a little tattered from shipping. I live down a dirt road, so I would expect that, but time to open this baby up. First off, we got I think this is the, manual? Yeah, this is the manual. It's in Mandarin, I think. Yeah, that's in Mandarin. That's not Sanskrit, but whatever it is in Japan. And we got our, just a basic cable that you just plug into, main in North America. And here's our beloved power supply. Oh, some free gel. Time to eat some silica gel. That's obviously a joke. Do not eat silica gel. It's a antioxidant and will kill you if you do. But Anyways, let's get this thing wrapped out of its bubble wrap. And, you know, let's check it out. But so far, this seems alright. I mean, ketchup and mustard, pretty par for the course, seeing as the other power supply that I've also bought for about the same price a while back and that I made a video about was also, what's it called? Ketchup and mustard. I almost said mustard and ketchup. What the world would be. But anyways, this thing seems good so far, and I'm surprised I'm doing this bad of a job at one-hand unboxing. But as you can see, the specs are listed on the power supply itself. So like it says, it's a 50 watt 80 plus unit with 5-year warranty, and its input voltage, you can have a maximum of 240 volts AC, and yeah, all the specs right there for the people that know this stuff. I don't really know much about power supplies because, I mean, they work and then they work kind of thing for me. Just don't buy Gigabyte or else you're buying the equivalent of the CSGO bomb. But anyways, seems pretty good. It's metal, obviously. Never open one of these bad boys up and expect to just stick your finger in there. I've opened these up before. Don't do it, it's not too safe. But, see, let's check out what we have. So we have the 24-pin, obviously. We got a couple of Molex for, you know, the older fans. And even if you want to, which would be stupid, to hook this thing up to a old system that uses Molex. That would be really stupid if you did, in my opinion. Because those probably will consume more than 500 watts if you're using something super high-end. Either that or my advice was just completely unvalid, which either way I'm fine with. But yeah, and then it's got the 4-pin for, I think, would be a CPU that requires 2 4-pin CPU connectors, which I will be showing you one, which is the Xeon motherboard, like I keep bringing up, soon. I have it in my workshop, and I'll be making a video on it. Yes, there's more videos. I've just been in school, and I'm actually making this while I should be doing homework, but who cares? Anyways, so yeah, this has just been a quick look at the Thermaltake 80 plus 500 Smart Watt power supply. Seems like it has decent enough build quality for 30 bucks. And I mean, free shipping. And it got here in like 2 days, so you should probably buy one if you're looking to build a budget system. Anyways, this is K Parser PCs signing out.